12.3 surface area and volume of a sphere. The surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r squared. The volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r, guess what? Cubed. Okay, the 4 comes from 4, yes? The 4 comes from the surface area?
Yes.
Yes. Now the third comes from, you have a sphere. That's not a solid block, correct?
Correct.
So if I put a block around that, you're missing a third. Like there's a third empty space. Okay? So, pretty easy. Number 1, surface area equals 4 times r squared. R is 6. So 6 squared is 36. So 4 times 6 is 4. Carry a 2. 144. Oh, I forgot my pi. 144 pi centimeters squared. Yep. That's it. So volume,
I thought you said 7 meters for a second.
centimeters. Okay, the volume is 4/3. 6 cubed pi. Well, you should all know 6 cubed, yes? What is it? 216. So I have 4/3, 216, and 3 goes into 216, yes?
Yeah.
So 3 goes into 21/7 and 6, 2. So I get 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 7 is 28 pi centimeters cubed. Now it says round your answer to the nearest hundredth, but that's this part. Leave the pi in it, okay? Make sense? Okay, so the next one, surface area is what?
19 squared.
Well, it's going to be 4.
4 times 19 squared, which you should know.
I didn't get that far.
3.
No.
Yes. We did this yesterday, right?
I know we did.
3. No, it's not 3.
Oh, it's
361
361, Brian.
pi.
That's what it is.
Yeah, Brian.
4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 6 is 24, so carry a 2. And 12 plus 2 is... So 1,444 pi feet squared. So volume is what?
403.
4/3
There's 19
cubed pi. So in your calculators, guys, if you just put 4 times 19 cubed divided by 3, it's going to give the answer.
Knew we round to the nearest.
It's, what's it say on our sheet?
Round your answer to the nearest hundredth.
100th. How many decimal places 100th?
2.
2. So 9,145,33 pi feet cubed. Make sure you put your approximately when you are approximating.
Yes.
So the next one, what do I have to do?
Find the radius.
Find the radius. Well, what's the radius?
11.
22 divided by.
Okay. Some of yours today are going to be like 13 divided by 2. Right? So that'd be 6.5. So some of them are not going to be a whole number, but you can still divide it by 2, right? So then, Surface area is 4 times 121 pi. So that's 484 pi inches squared. We're going kind of fast, but is this just plug it in and do the math? Okay, so volume is 4/3 times 11 cubed, which is 1,331 pi. And 3 does not go into 1,331. How do I know that?
Because it ends in a 1.
Nope,
Top 3.
nope.
They add up to 8 and 3.
They add up to 8, and 3 does not go into 8. So I'm going to take 4 times 1,331 and divide it by 3. So it is 1,774.67. Now, we did that with a calculator, but I'm going to take you through what you should do without a calculator. Because not always we're going to have a calculator, and we can do that. So I take 4 times 1,331. So 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 3 is, so 12, carry a 1. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 1 is, carry a 1. And 4 times 1 plus 1 is 5, divided by 3. Now, when I was taught this, I think they called it short-long division or something. I want you to practice these methods, especially when you're multiplying or dividing by single-digit numbers. On the ACT, you do not have enough time to use your calculator every problem, so sometimes you just have to do it. So, 3 goes into 5 how many times?
1.
1. With 2 left over. So that makes it 23. 3 goes into 23 how many times?
7.
7. With what left over? 2.
7.
7. With 1.
1. 8. 4.
4. With what?
12.
2, you mean? So you add a decimal and a 0, and you have a 2, so you now have 20.
Yeah.
3 goes into 20 how many times?
6 times.
6. Okay. Then there's going to be 2 left over, so I'm just going to keep getting 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, right?
Whoa.
Then you round up and go
So you round up and get what?
7.
7. So did we have to have a calculator to do that?
Yes.
No.
Well, we did.
We used a calculator, but we didn't have to.
We did, yeah.
Now, guys, when you go, well, I don't know what 4/3 of 1,331 is. Well, I don't either.
Google.
I don't either, but I can multiply by 4. Yes?
Yeah.
Can I divide by 3?
Yes.
Yes.
That was kind of hard.
So, next one, do on your own. Surface area volume.
What's 2.5 times 2.5?
Well, what's 25 squared?
625.
Okay, with 2 decimals.
Okay. I got that, but I was just making sure.
Or you said do this one or
Mm-hmm.
4.
where did he find out?
There's a caret button. Looks like caret button right here. It looks like a carrot. It's called a carrot.
Oh,
It should be on there. Okay, so did you get 25 pi meters and 20.84 pi meters squared on the first one, meters cubed on the second?
3.4.
Huh?
Wouldn't it be 3?
Yeah. What
No.
How does 3 round out?
Oh, yes, sorry. I don't know what I was doing. Yes, it is 3. Okay, questions, concerns? Did it go pretty good?
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's it. Got 9 problems tonight.
Learn homework looks like this.